Hey people, this is another lock sent to me by Pinsetter 1991, and I've picked it a couple of times, but I was just messing around with it and I found out something kind of weird. So you sort of rake it until you get a bit of a false set. Then you turn the hook upside down, and you usually hear a click, and then turn it back this way. If I can get him in there. And there you have it. And it's weird because I wasn't actually pushing the bar back either way. It just felt like a little click on one side and a click on the other. But yeah, I guess that's the bypass for whatever 40mm lock this is. Anyways, peace, and don't break the law.